Alright guys, so you might have saw that video, all that traffic on the freeway. Oh man, it got me. Look at that. I got it jacked up here. Just real quick, get it off the rim. Man, big car accident on the 10 westbound, and I don't think the brooms got everything. Right here. Right here is what I'm looking at. Alright guys, so we got the tire mounted, got the spare put on. What are these? Some old Bridgestone Dueler HTs. Pretty darn new looking. So just got to put a little bit of air in there. But yeah, shoot man, curse of the full moon. Let me show you guys what's in that tire. Alright, so here it is. And yeah, there it is right there. Not really sure what it is right now. It's like some big sharp piece of metal. Can't really, it's kind of got like a claw hammer look to it, you know, but definitely went in about a ½ inch wide, I'd say. So it's not a little plug. We'll see what we do. Probably prorate these out. Curse of the full moon.